Hi everyone, this is Rich with FastReviews. I'm super excited today because I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PS5 to 2 terabytes. You're going to need this space because games are about 50 gigabytes almost each. And you're going to do this fairly inexpensive for $250. So this price point, the sale price, there's a bunch of different vendors right now that can offer this. This is the best one because it works with the PS5, it says that right there. But it also provides a heatsink that you need to make sure that the heat dissipates properly, okay? So I'm going to show it to you right now. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to put the PS logo down. By the way guys, if you ever design a PS5, do not design it with this weird cover. Look at that, that's what happens. When you have curves in your design, it's going to be super tough. So just to show you what happened here, there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's another 3 here. And they kind of go into these arrows, so it creates that weird flow. But it's pretty cool because you get to see the internal drives. You got a separate drive unit right here. This is obviously for Blu-ray. We've got a large fan. This is a nice, pretty large fan, and I guess it vents everything out from the top curved portion of the PS5. Let's see here. This right here is obviously where we're going to put the card. We're going to use a #1 screwdriver. So we're going to take that out. And you're going to see a second screw right here. Second screw. And it comes with a spacer. So you're going to apply gentle pressure. Okay, so you can apply gentle pressure. Now if you haven't grounded yourself yet, now's a good time. So just touch a grounded outlet or touch a grounded screw for the outlet. And then basically just make sure you remove all the static electricity from your body, especially if you have a carpeted floor. Now when you pull this screw out, you're going to want to make sure that you also get the spacer because the spacer is not connected, so you don't want to lose that. Okay, so here we go. We got this out. You can see what the spacer looks like here. Now we're going to unbox our Gamix S70 Blade 2 terabyte. This is a PCI 4.0 3D NAND NVMe 1.4 SLC catching stuff. I don't even understand. It's been a while since I studied memory. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Make sure you ground yourself. There we go. We got this guy. We got that. Let's see. Do we have to do our own? Okay, so we do have a heat tape there, and we do have this here. So, do we have any instructions? We don't have any instructions. So we're going to slide this in here, and then we're going to apply the heat tape onto it. Okay, so we're going to pull the heat tape off. So there we go. The heat tape is being pulled off. And then we're going to respect the screws. We're going to make sure that we align it properly with the screw. I'm just going to come down a little bit here. I'm going to go take it out first, and then I'm going to stick it in like so. And then we're going to apply the pressure firmly onto the chips. So this is going to dissipate any pressure. Now there's other ways, there's other parts you can buy. If you want a bigger heatsink, you can do that. But you have to make sure it fits into the spot. So this one fits in and it provides obviously the heatsink. So now let's go ahead and push that in here. Okay, now theoretically this memory is supposed to be even faster than the PS5's internal memory. I'm not too sure about that. So let's go ahead and screw the memory card back in. The memory card screw. We're using a #1 Phillips head. Okay, so after you've loaded the SSD, it's going to ask you if you want to format it. So you have two options. You can either not format it and turn off the PS5, or you can format it. So let's go ahead and format it. Format process is happening really fast, which is pretty nice. And obviously, you don't want to turn off the PS5. So I'm super excited because unlike the Xbox, the SSD is obviously built into the PS5 right there. All right, the read speed is 6,200, so about 6 gigabytes. And it's been formatted, so we can go to settings, storage, and installation location. And of course I didn't turn PS off properly. So here we got the storage, and we're going to click on installation location. And we're going to put the PS5 and have it install stuff on M2 SSD. This is going to allow it to load way faster because if you bought the one I suggested, it's actually got a faster loading than the default PS5 internals. Alright guys, now it's time to just go crazy and download everything we possibly can. We gotta fill up that 2 terabyte drive. So we feel good about spending the 2 terabyte money. So we're now downloading some games. We're also going to default the PS4 to the 2 terabyte location because if you're like me, you probably already filled up the internal hard drive of the PS5. You can see here we're already filling it up. We've got, within 10 minutes, we got half of the space filled up. We got 1 terabyte left. So should we run a 4 terabyte one? I don't know. Guys, so that's my review of the 2 terabyte XPG gaming blade. This one is working great after a couple weeks now. Now the other nice thing about this is that when you have that extra storage, your PS5 is going to be like a server. So you'll be able to use the PS Remote Play, watch my other video on how to do that, and you'll be able to have a huge gaming library. Alright, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the future.